In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to get to your discussion forum for any course and also how to hide your courses from your dashboard on UI LMS Portal. First, we log into our portal. Fill in your details to log in. Select the login option. After gaining access, select the desired course that has the discussion going on. One thing to note is that if you don't see the link to the discussion forum, click on the link that is related to it. Like this one over here. Select the option to add a new topic. Navigate to the subject section and add your instructed subject. Write down the desired information that has been instructed by the lecturer. If you're done, post it to the forum. Also, if you want to hide some course or remove them from view, e.g. second semester courses, follow the steps. Click on this three-dot button. Click on Remove from View button to put them back in view. Navigate to All, except Removed from View. Select the Removed from View option. Click this three dots button. Click on the Restore to View field for the desired course.